Hey, greetings and welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be looking at Ngrok. Please like, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions. Right? So what we first need to do is we need to npm and install and save this as a dev dependency Ngrok in our Angular application. And then what we want to go ahead and do is go ahead and start the tunneling process. And then I would like to show on localhost that we have here, if we actually try to log in with localhost, we can see we will get an error if I go ahead and click on my dev environment, right? This Facebook API needs to work with HTTPS. So what we can go ahead and do is take the URL from our tunnel and head there like so. Let's see if we could get our dev environment on HTTPS, and we can't because we have invalid host header. So this is the thing in Angular. So what you want to go ahead and do is you want to head over to your Angular JSON, and as an option, you want to provide for the disable host check, right? Angular is going to say that there's a security warning. However, this should be fine for your needs. It just needs access control allow origins is now star. So now, or the host headers is now set to everything. It's set to the wildcard. So that means much more access to your app, but unless required, I wouldn't have to worry about it if you're working on your portfolio. All right, so now if we go ahead and refresh like so, we have our Angular app, and if we go ahead and log in like so, we have no errors, right? And now we can continue in our dev environment. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions, and links to social media will be posted in the video description.